In today's video, I'm going to show you how to merge your first pull request on GitHub. Hey, I'm Kadesha and I'm so happy you're here with me today. Let's do a quick recap of what a pull request is. A pull request, or a PR, is a proposal to merge a set of changes from one branch into another. After you submit a pull request, you can ask someone to review your proposed changes. During the PR review process or the code review process, you would invite members from your team to review your code, test your changes locally, and provide feedback. Once all requested changes are resolved, you can merge your pull request by clicking the Merge button on GitHub. Sometimes, though, you will encounter merge conflicts. Okay, most times. But a merge conflict occurs when changes are made to the same part of the same file on two different branches. All merge conflicts must be resolved before you can merge a pull request on GitHub. Let me show you what I mean. So we have this PR here on the update name branch. What happens if we create a new branch locally and make the same change? Let's call the new branch add new name and change the same file on the same line that was changed in the update name branch. Okay, let's push this to the repo, open up a pull request, and merge this PR into the main branch. If we go back to the previous PR, we'll see a message here that says there's a merge conflict that needs to be resolved. Don't be afraid of this message. You can resolve this merge conflict by clicking this button right here, or by pulling the changes from the main branch to the update name branch in your terminal. Let's do the terminal route. In your terminal, type git switch main, then type git pull origin main to pull in the changes that were merged in remotely. Now, type git switch update name to return to the branch we were working on. Type git merge main to grab all those changes. You'll get a message like this that shows you some conflict markers. You'll want to choose Accept the current change to select the changes you made on this branch. Once you do that, stage and commit your changes. Git add, period, git commit -m, resolve merge conflict. Then for sanity's sake, run git status. Nice. Now we can do git push origin update name to push and resolve the merge conflict in the PR. If we go to the pull request again, we'll see that the conflicts no longer exist. We can happily merge the PR by clicking this green button here. You can practice resolving merge conflicts by visiting this repository and following the instructions in the README. Knowing how to review and merge PRs on GitHub is an essential part of using the platform. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have further questions, be sure to drop them below in the comments. Until next time, happy coding!